So hello folks, welcome to my account once again. I wanna go quickly through what gold did through the New York AM session. As you can see, the time right now is 12:05 -5 UTC. That is in New York time. Um, Today is on January 26th, January 2026. Date 29, and today is on a Thursday. Um, So this what you're seeing here is a daily time frame. All of this, all of these annotations here are new day opening gaps and fair value gaps. Those are the only things that I mainly and majorly wanna keep on my chart, and I don't delete them because they are gonna be retested once again later. So I'm gonna dive down into the 1 hour time frame, and we're going to see actually what gold did. And this was kind of crazy because I never expected a correction on Thursday, and this correction is crazy because it went back to the new day opening up on Wednesday. That is really, 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 really cool. Look at how the candlesticks are respecting that. It's so amazing, and as you can see, this is the sell side liquidity that was being targeted. Uh, we're going to see what I have done on the 1 hour time frame. What I immediately do, and I have said it before, is I want to see the fair value gaps on the 1 hour. Those are the gaps that price leaves when it's printing. And as you can see, I have these. I have this one here, this one here. They have not yet been reused, but these right here was reused. It was a 1 hour BC. Um, Buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency. Just look at. Oh my God! Let me zoom in. Let me zoom in just a bit. Just look at how those kind of sticks are respecting that. It's amazing. It's really amazing. And I actually want to start a class to my brother, just explaining how he will be um, dealing with the markets when he gets to the market, because he don't trade, he doesn't trade, he's in high school right now. But I will organize later a class that will go through everything that I do. It's a mentorship for him. I don't really need nobody to watch it, but you can watch it as well. But it's majorly going to be directed to my brother, and yeah, I think it's gonna be great. It's gonna be great wherever he is. God protect him. You can see the new day opening up on Thursday. That is today. Price rallied up, making leaving a high, which is a buy side liquidity. Um, then later during the New York AM session, dumped to the new day opening up on Wednesday, and just on that BC, that is perfect. And you can see that this liquidity wasn't taken out here. So those that trade um, supply and demand, this was a really good entry, but I don't recommend that. That is not what I do because I target liquidity, and liquidity is what I use to convert um my asset into into cash. I target by targeting this liquidity. I convert this asset into cash. That is gold. Um, Switch down to the 15 minutes time frame, and it's gonna be clear. Um, this is where everything happens. I mark out my liquidity zones, and I mark out the visible imbalances. You can see that this liquidity wasn't taken out here, and this was at 1:15 a.m. Price down to um 54 price down to 5473.55, and started going up. uh this, you can see how this 1 hour BC was used here, then came down, took out this liquidity, and immediately wanted to go for this liquidity. This is minor buy side liquidity. um having taken out this minor sell side liquidity, I knew the market was definitely going for another form of liquidity. And we have this liquidity pool here, the sell side liquidity pool. uh there was news, events, high impact news events, core PPI monthly and PPI monthly. That was at 8:30 a.m. I have this 15-minute BC. That's an IFVG because price used this imbalance inversely to deliver lower. Um, we are going to switch down to the 5 minutes time frame. I come. Let's assume I come to the market at 7. You are a beginner and you don't know what you're supposed to do. You come to the market at 7. There, what are you going to see? This, here, and this here. This has been taken out, so something else has to be taken out. What that is? Liquidity. We have this buy and buy side, and this one here. Let me annotate this one here. There. That is the minor buy side liquidity. Come was all the stops that were here for shorts were taken out, and we get into a new macro. That is 7 a.m. 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. I'm supposed to be looking for something, and the market has to deliver. So I come, I have this 1 hour CB, I have this 5 minutes CB right here, just below this minor buy side, and I have this 5 minute CB, BC. That's a buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency. Sorry. And I have this liquidity. I wait. I'm waiting for a settle. Patience is everything. Patience is everything here, and patience is everything everywhere. So you have to wait. I come to the market. I waited, and I waited for liquidity to be taken out. I had this liquidity. That's a sell side, and immediately it was taken out. And I have these 5 minutes BC. I wanted to target this liquidity here, which was this, because it didn't take out this minor buy side. So that was a valid setup. Um, this was the move that I traded, this right here, and it delivered. So switch down to the 1 minute time frame. The internet is misbehaving a little bit.